Biryani is a delicious and flavorful dish that has been popular in South Asian cuisine for centuries. It is made with a combination of spices, rice, and meat, making it a perfect main dish for any occasion. Biryani has become a staple in many households, with each family having their own unique recipe and variations. How to make chicken biryani recipe at home. Special chicken biryani recipe. Chicken biryani recipe. Ingredients: 2 cup basmati chawal, 1 pound boneless chicken, chot to kray kar liye hu, 2 payaz, bara payaz kotline, 1 cup dahi, 1 tablespoon adrak paste, 1 tablespoon lasan paste, 1 teaspoon zira powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon haldi powder, 1 teaspoon lal mirch powder, ½ teaspoon kali mirch powder, 2 to 3 hari ilaichi, 2 to 3 long, 1 cinnamon stick, dalchini, 2 tezpata, 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Namak Sb Izaika. Berry Kadihara Dania Our Fry Ki Hu Payaz Garnish K Liye. Chawal Ko Adagante K Liye Pani Mine Bigo Dine. Pir Pani Ko Kan Kar Chawal Alag Ruk Dine. Ekbare Barton Mine Tail Gurum Karan Our Payaz Ko Golden Brown Hone Tak Fry Karan. Adhi Fry Kiye Hu Payaz Ko Alag Ruk Dine. Baki fry kiye hu payas mine chicken shamil karan hour 5 to 6 minute k liye pakayan jab tak chicken galche. Is mine adrak hourless and ka paste shamil karan hour 1 to 2 minute tak pakayan. Is mine zira powder, dhania powder, garam masala powder, haldi powder, lal mirch powder, kali mirch powder, hari ilaichi, long, dalchini, tezpata our namak shamil karan. Echi tara malayin hour 2 to 3 minute tak pakayan. Is mine plain yogurt shamil karan hour echi tara mix karan. Chicken gal j hour masala pak j tak 5 to 6 minute tak pakayan. Eka alag Barton mine 8 cup pani balkar usme bigo hu chawal dal dine hour 5 to 6 minute tak paka line yajab tak chawal adha se kuch zayada naram na ho jayin. Pir pani chankar chawal ko alag kar line. Oven ko 350 f, 180 c, par preheat kar line. Ek body baking dish ko todas a tel lagakar grease karan. Is main ahi pek hu chawal ki ek layer bikadine. Ab is layer par chicken ka masala dal dine hour use achi tara se bikradine. Ab is masale par baki ke chawal ki ek layer bikadine. Baking dish ko aluminum foil se kar preheated oven mine 20 to 25 minute k liye rakin. Baking dish ko oven se bahar nikoline hour use 5 minute tak rest hondine. Serve carne se pele tes dani ke patty hour boon hu payaz se jain. Apki swadish biryani tayar hai.